Grand Rising, Grand Living. Welcome, welcome, welcome back into my fitness laboratory. So glad to have you here with me today. Yes, I am. A second day of chair exercises, and we are going to do this together. We will not be defeated by circumstances, situations, challenges. No, because we are more than a conqueror, and we win. We win, we win, we win. So, okay, so come on and let's get ready to do this. Welcome to Get Healthy Now Mastery. Let's put your hands up in the air and stretch. Let's just stretch a little bit. Go out. You know how we do? Yes. Go back. Come on, we just stretch in a little bit. Come back and go forward. Yes, yes, and yes. And you can put a little bounce in it. Go out. Oh, yes. Go up. Come on. Make your own music. Make your own music. Yes. Go back down. And we're going to the back. And come back. And we're going up again. Come on. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. And back down. All righty. All righty. So again, so glad to have you here. So come on and sit on your chair and let's do this. Let's do this. Today I have water with lemon. So make sure you have your water. Make sure you have your weights, your 1 pound weights, your bottle of water. All right. You have that. And yesterday we used, get your broomstick or stick. And this is what I used yesterday. These are exercisers. You know, the things you walk with. Yeah. This is what this is. So anyway, and I have my, see if I can pick it up from that angle. I have my aerobic ball. It's 8 pounds. So I might use that today. So anyway, so glad to have you here. You all, I just want to encourage you. Don't let anything defeat you. Don't let anything defeat you. As you know, we always say, wherever there's a will, there's a way. Wherever there's a will, there's a way. So today I want to encourage you to sit and be fit. Sit and be fit. Yes, let's go. And my knee is doing good. It is doing good. I just got this brace on it as I move around. But I do ice it. So, but anyway, here we go. All right, so let's do it. Put your arms up. All righty. And we're just going to clap our hands in front of us. There you go. Yeah, come on. 2, 3. If you can put your elbows together, let's do it. And if you can't, if this is all you can do, just do it. All righty. I lost count, so let's go. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Keep going. 12, 13. Count with me. 14, 15, 16, 17. Put them shoulders down. 18, 19, and 20. You know, I had a and I laugh because every time I'm doing something, I'm thinking about my shoulders, because I had a fitness trainer, and she would always say, put them shoulders down, put them shoulders down. So every time I'm doing something, I think about my shoulders, and so I had to pull them down. How about that? So, okay, here what we're going to do. We're going up. We're going to go up. Ready? 1, 2. Get them shoulders down. 3. And count with me. Count with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Spread them fingers out. 9. Yes. 10. You feel the difference? 12. You feel the difference? 13, 14. Yes, let's do it. 15, 16, 17. Shoulders down. 18, shoulders down. 19, shoulders down. And 20, shoulders down. All right, relax. Relax. Get some water when you need to. Take some deep breaths in and blow it out. Breathe in. Blow it out through your mouth. One more. Deep breath in. Blow it out through your mouth. Oh, yeah. So that feel better? Does that feel better? Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I hope did you all bring your stretch band? We're going to do a few stretches with the band. All right, we're going to go up and bring it down. Here we go. Up, down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we're going to do 15. We'll take a break and we'll take some deep breaths. Take a few minutes for, okay, we'll get started back in 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Yes, we're going to do another set. And you can sit out on the edge of your chair, and I need to sit out on the edge of my chair because I'm sitting on the back of this brace, and it's digging into my thigh, so I'm having to sit out. So you can sit out, or you can sit back, whichever one you want. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, come on, 6, count with me, 7, 8, 9, come on, 10, 11, yes, 12, 13, 14, 15, and that's it, 16. I was getting carried away, y'all. I was going to 20. We're going to do the ball. We're going to do the ball. Sit up. If you got your bottles, you know what? You can do these with your bottles. Hold them right here. And we're just going to twist. Yeah. Do that. Get your bottles, put them together, and we're twisting. I'm just going to use the ball. Okay? All righty. Here we go. Here we go. Shoulders down. Rezekia, I'm remembering. All right, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. Woo. Set that down. And breathe for a second. Take some deep breaths. Do some shoulder rolls. You know, you want to do something, keep your body still moving. Still moving, still moving, still moving. You can do whatever you want to do to move. Continue to move your body. All righty. Let's do the second set. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold your stomach in. 6, Yes. 7. You feel good? 8, 9, 10. Your body loves you. 11, 12, 13. Shoulders down. 15. I had to do that because I remember my shoulders were up. I saw them up. So I have to have some water, y'all. We're going to do one more set. And then we're going to let you go. I didn't want this to be 15 minutes, so we're going to do one more set. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stomach in. 6, 7. Breathe. Make sure you're breathing. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm going to do 60. Okay. Shoulder rolls. Shoulder rolls. Shoulder rolls forward. Put your hands up and stretch. If you can, lean over to your right side or your left side, whichever one, doesn't matter. And come back up, lean over to your left side. And go back as far as you can go. Yes, go back. That feels good. Come on, come forward. Oh, yeah. I'm so glad you all joined me today. And sit and be fit. Y'all, we can do this. We can do this every day. And I'm thinking I may go live doing this so you can do it with me. How about that? Would you like for me to do it live? And you can sit in your chair and do it with me? Put that in the comments. Put that in the comment section and we're going to do it. I'll do it in the mornings. I got to set a time, but it'll be earlier than this. So you all, if you are with me, just let me know and we're going to do this. Again, peace and love and broccoli. Love your body. Take care of your body. This is the only house that we have. When this house is destroyed by what we do, we don't have another one. So let's take care of this house and let's live until we die. Let's thrive until we die. Let's flourish until we die. Let's move until we die. I love you all so much. Thank you again to all of my subscribers, to the newcomers, to all of my supporters. I thank you. Peace and love and broccoli. Peace and love and broccoli. Keep those shoulders down. I love you so much. All right. Peace.